Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool adjustable trailer hitch. I'm going to kind of show you all what comes in the box and kind of how to install that. This thing is super cool. It is powder coated and robust, but the entire thing weighs less than 17 pounds, so it actually is very portable. It does come in a couple of nice pieces here. It's got two adjustable spots here on the back that when you insert this in, you can determine how far back you want it to be in your vehicle. They then provide you this piece, which is actually a locking piece so that nobody can take this off of your car, which I think is super cool as well. It comes with a set of two keys. It's got a nice bolt that's going to slide right through there, and then you're going to lock that in place using these keys, and that way that is on there to where that's not going to go anywhere. Now here's the nice part about this is once it's on there, you've got this adjustable piece here with multiple settings that you can go ahead and take this piece, which is your actual trailer ball. This is a 2-inch ball that's a 7,500 pounds, so this will actually tow pretty much anything you're going to need to. And you can adjust it using these provided, these are two brand new nice pins, and it's got these little cotter pins that are going to lock that into place. So when you decide the adjustment that you're needing for the height wise, let's say you want to set it here because you're going to be towing a trailer or something, and that's where a good spot is for it, you can put that in place. You're going to insert these in here like so, and then you're going to lock these pieces in, and then you're ready to go. It's going to be fully adjustable on this as well. You can also, if you had a really high truck and needed to flip this piece upside down, you can flip it around. So this has many adjustments up or many adjustments down, depending on what it is that you're going to do. And then on the bottom here, there actually is a set pin here that you can, if you're going to be doing a lot of traveling, you can crank this dude down and it's going to stiffen everything up on here so it's all nice and tight and ready to go for your next trip.